Which of the following describes the transformation of the graph of square root x to obtain the graph of negative square root of x minus 3? Okay, so the minus 3 under the radical, when you're adding and subtracting under the radical or inside the function, that's going to move your graph left and right. And inside changes are always the opposite of what you expect. So you see that minus 3, that might lead you to believe it goes left 3 because like negative is typically associated with left. But when you're under the square root or inside the function, it's always the opposite of what you expect. So that minus 3 under the radical, that is telling us that we move right 3. And then negative signs are reflections. And when they're outside of the function, there are reflections over the x-axis. If it's inside the radical, that negative would be a reflection over the y-axis. Okay, so which of these descriptions is right 3 and reflected over the x-axis? Well, it looks like I made a typo because I only have one option that goes right 3, but I put y-axis as the reflection, and it is supposed to be over the x-axis. So I will go into the original file and change this. That should be an x, and the answer should be D.